Yeah, good evening to you all. It's another day, and we are going to look at the forex market as we normally do. So let's wait a while for others to join the stream. Let's wait a while. Yeah, hello. So let me remind you that trading is risky and is not suitable for everyone. Your past performance, good or bad, does not necessarily indicate your future success. So please stay small, stay humble, and focus on the long term. Never risk money you cannot afford to lose. Don't come and use your school fees to trade. Never use monies you cannot afford to lose. Okay? If you are here, I want to see you in the comment section. Drop something in the comment section. Okay, so before we move on, I'm going to recap on what we've learned yesterday. We've learned a lot of things yesterday. We've analyzed some pairs yesterday. So we are going to look at those pairs again today to see what happened over the past 24 hours after our analysis. So that's what we are going to look at today. So the first pair we looked at yesterday was Euro USD. Okay, so quickly I moved to my Euro USD. So as I'm moving to my pairs, I'm also waiting for others to join the stream. I'm waiting for them to join the stream, and if you join the stream, you just send something in the comment section so I know that you are around. and then let's share it. Let's share the link to others to join and learn something new. Alright, so yesterday I analyzed Euro USD pair, okay, and I did two analyses. Those who were here yesterday, you realize that I said that this pair is bullish, and this is my first support, and this is my plan B. So we realize that the pair hits the plan A and then plan B. I said you put your stop loss somewhere at the middle here, and what happened? There was a move to the upside after a hit. That's about 132 pips, okay, from yesterday's analysis. So if you are here yesterday, you would have made this money if you are a bull, because this pair was bullish. The reason was that I showed you from another this thing, and I've explained to you into details that because of the moving averages, you can't be a bear, you can only be a bull. And then the 55-21 cross around here, around this place, is your entry to the upside. So this particular pair move in our direction, and we've made a pips. So if you followed the analysis, big up to you. Now we are going to the next pair that we looked at yesterday, which was GBP USD, British pound against the US dollar. So this is the pair. We said that for this pair we want a pullback to around this area here. So we want something to move up to around this area. It have reversed, but not up to our area. It reversed up to this point and then move up. But if you are using JK market trading strategy, you would have entered this pair on this basis, on the basis that the pair is sitting on the moving average here, and the moving average have crossed somewhere here. So you would have pulled the trigger to the upside if you are using the JK market trading strategy, because this pair is doing higher high, higher low. Yeah. Now I also look at Euro NZD. Yes, we looked at Euro NZD, and then we said that for Euro NZD, these are our possible trading points. I give plan A and then plan B. So currently plan B, it's working. So we expect this pair to move to the downside up to this point by the end of tomorrow. Okay, now we looked at USD card for a sell. Yes, this worked perfectly as we expected it. So this USD card, we said we will sell around this point, and that's it. So it have hit the target that we've set for USD card. Okay, now how do you enter USD card? Let's look at it from the entry perspective. So from entry perspective, on my 15-minute time frame, you would have entered this pair around here where the 2155 has crossed to the downside. Yesterday, if you entered here, you'd have gotten out around this place, and then if you wait a while, you would have entered somewhere here after the double head and shoulders or whatever here. Now you can't sell this pair because the pair is trending down, so you can see that it's trending down, so there is no reason you will be buying this pair. This pair is moving down. When you calculate the regression, or if you calculate I know all of us have gone to SHS, so they taught us something like the gradient of a curve. So when you calculate this gradient will tell you that this pair is going to the downside. So all you will be looking out for is what? Very straight plans. Now we're looking at CAD JPY. I think Prince asked for it yesterday. So this analysis for CAD JPY. I remembered yesterday when we were doing the analysis, we realized that there was a double top here and there is a move to the downside to the role reversal area, and I said that you go to the 15 minutes time to look for entry. So let's look at how it happens for CAD JPY. Yes, so this is our trade plan for CAD JPY. It's still here. So this is what I drew for CAD JPY. Wow, what a beautiful trade. So I hope everyone can see it clearly. Yes, so double bottom, higher high, higher low, buy, higher high, higher low, buy. So you would have entered this trade around this point here, and the trade have moved to the upside. How many pips? Up to about 100 pips on USD CAD. So yesterday, if you have traded all the pairs that we've analyzed, you'd made a lot of money. If you are here, I want you to say something in the comment section. Say something in the comment section. Alright, so I also spoke about some few pairs like gold. Yes, for gold, I said I want a move to the upside or downside, and I said that when it moves to the downside, I expect it to move to somewhere here and then a pull to the upside. I'm still sticking to that, and I said that it's in a range. So if you are a range trader, what you do is you buy the bottom of the range and then you sell the top of the range. Yes, so I think I also look at US oil, WTI, yeah. So this is my trade plan for WTI. It didn't work out. Yes, yesterday I explained to you that you should wait for what price action on a smaller time frame, like 15 minutes, before you pull the trigger. Okay, and this is it for WTI. And if you also want us to look at a particular pair, you can drop it in the chat box. I'll see it and then I'll analyze it for you. So let's do what we have to do for today. So we go again to USD CAD. No, to Euro USD first. Alright, so this is our trade for Euro USD. Let's look at day one. Alright, so right now I will pause if I was buying this pair, because there is a strong resistance around where the pair is now. Yeah, this zone is a strong zone. So if I'm trading Euro USD, I'll wait here. I'll take profits from all the other trades and wait to see what happens here. If this pair should break this area, then I have the opportunity to pull my trigger. So meaning there is no trade for us tomorrow on Euro USD. Let's look at Pound USD. Pound USD moved up and there was no a pull down. There was no pullback for us to pull the trigger. So let's try and analyze Pound USD very well. So these are area of support or resistance, and these are second area. So let's look at day one to see what happens in day one. Okay, tech tips, I've seen you. If you want anything tech, you can visit tech tips and you learn something new from tech. Alright, so these are day one chart. So if there should be a move to the downside, these are the possible resistance areas that this pair can move to. So what will I expect? I expect a move to around this area, and then you can watch the entry on using your moving averages on 15 minutes, and then you can pull the trigger to the upside. So that's my plan A, and my plan B is this pair moving to this side. That's if you are a bull, and then to the upside. So these are my plan A and my plan B for Euro USD, GBP USD. Let's look at GBP JPY. GBP JPY is moving up. So what I'll do is I go to my analysis template, and then you see this red moving average, which is my 21. So I'll go to 4 hours on GBP JPY, and I want this pair to move and touch my 21 for me to buy it again. So for me to buy it, I'll buy around this price. So when I get something like this, I'll pull my trigger because the trend is very sharp and it's moving so quickly to the upside. So that's for GBP JPY. Let's go back to the CAD JPY. So let's look at daily. So on the daily, CAD JPY has broken another resistance. So we expect this pair to move further to the upside. So on our 4 hour, locate a role reversal area. So in this case, this pair can move back to around this area, or you just forget. You can also move back to the same area like this. So for me, if it is not so clear, I don't go. So something like this could happen if you are trading this pair. So this euro pound, there is nothing here to do. USD CHF. Wow. So USD CHF, yesterday we said that you buy around this, you sell around this point, and truly it have sold. So what's next? You wait for a pullback. So around this point, and then you sell this pair. Now you should not trade every pair. Select the best and trade. So I expect something like this. So let's look at GBP CHF to see what's happening there. There is nothing better happening there. Let's look at CAD CHF. CAD CHF, you can see double top, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. So you expect a move but you should be afraid this part will disturb your trade. So it's a part you should be worried about. So I'll leave that pair. Got USD JPY. So this pair can move to this side. So let's mark it. So if you want to buy, just put your stop loss in the middle here, then you'll take profit somewhere here. So you can type the pair you want me to trade here. Which pair do you want me to analyze? Just drop the pair, I'll analyze it for you. Which other pairs do you want us to analyze? If you have any question, you can put the question in the chat box and I'll answer you. So this pair USD ZAR, I want it to touch the red moving average and then I'll sell it. So here then you sell. So I'm expecting similar thing. So MSN2, I want it to move up. start here. Then move up to somewhere here. Now I sell it. If it doesn't come there, you don't pull any trigger. You have to be patient and disciplined. So this is the end of our analysis today. We've analyzed quite a lot of pairs. If you have any questions for me, you can just drop the questions in the chat box. I'll try and answer them. Babs, I see you. Franklin, I see you. Kelly, I see you. If you have any question, drop it. If you don't have, just say something so I know we should move on. Alright, may the peeps be with you. May you profit above average. See you. No, tomorrow we will not meet. We will meet Sunday at 7 p.m. GMT. Meet Sunday 7 p.m. GMT to analyze the week. So we're going to set trade plans for the next week on Sunday 7 p.m. Exactly 7 p.m. we will be live, so make sure you are here at 7 p.m. Then we learn how to handle this market and make some dollars. May the pips be with you. May your profit be above average. Good night. Bye.